Hi everyone, this is RoboCup Korea Open Rescue Simulation Competition. After being postponed 2 times, RoboCup Korea Open was held successfully in August 14th and 15th by online. Now, I'm going to introduce special characteristics of RoboCup Korea Open Rescue Simulation. First, we use the secondary map both in primary and secondary. Second, in secondary, the number of teams were an odd number. We randomly picked one team, and the chosen team played both blue and red in one game, and we used the average score to calculate scores. Third, we rolled the dice to choose the team color, and the team who got the higher number chose the color first. Lastly, to make the game more enjoyable, we didn't give penalties when the robots crashed into each other. We only gave penalties when one robot crashed to the other one. First, we are going to show you the presentation of the winner team of secondary event, Nakji-Horonge. Then, we are going to show you the video of the match. Hello, this is Team Nakji-Horonge, one of the participating teams in RoboCup Korea Open Rescue Simulation. First, I will introduce about our team. Our team includes 3 members, InSung, ChangSoo, and SeungWon. InSung and ChangSoo are 17 years old, and SeungWon is 14 years old. We are all in the same club, SB Robotics Club, and we all started CoSpace since 2018. We have been participating in many competitions. For example, we went to Australia last year to participate in the RoboCup World Championship. Second, I will introduce about our team name. Our team name, Nakji-Horonge, is a very delicious food in Korea. It is a cooked and seasoned small octopus tied on a stick. It is very delicious, so try it when you visit Korea. Next, I will talk about our team's strategies. Our team's world win strategy was to trace along the wall. If the objects are full, we programmed it to go into the deposit zone by using the compass and ultrasonic sensors. Our team's world 2 strategy was to divide the map by coordinates, and when the super object is created, by remembering the coordinate of the super object, we can follow and collect it. Also, we remembered what color object we collected to create the super object. I hope these strategies will work well on the real match. Thank you for listening. Now, let's go for the match. Okay, in this game, we are going to use Team Nakji-Horonge's program in both of the blue robot and red robot, and we will use the average score to calculate the total score.
Good luck.
And now the game started. And it seems to follow the wall, both of the robots. Both of the robots are following the wall, and I think they have the same strategies because these 2 programs are from the same team.
Oops.
They crash it to each other, but they crashed both to each other, so no one gets a penalty. And I think the blue robot is stuck on the wall, and it relocates after 10 seconds. Now the red robot is full. And maybe the blue robot helped to red robot get to the deposit zone. Red robot deposits successfully and earns 125 points. Now the blue robot is just going toward the wall, and doesn't move to another direction. It is possibly stuck in the wall, and it relocated because it was stuck in the wall. The blue robot is stuck again and doesn't move now. The red robot is full with 5 cyan objects and 1 red object. It deposits and the blue robot got relocated but still doesn't move. It relocates again and keeps going toward the wall. As they pass 5 minutes, they teleport to World 2, and they both start with collecting the black objects. Now they crash to each other, but no one gets a penalty. And now the red robot goes to the deposit zone, and it has RG. It gets a super plus object, and the super plus object is created where I can see maybe on the top side. Yeah, on the back of, and the red robot collected it and 180 points, and the blue robot deposited it successfully and earned 110 points. And they crashed into each other, and again they crashed into each other, but no one gets a penalty. The blue robot's super plus object is on the trap, and it collects it. 180 points, and now the red robot is depositing with the super plus object and earns 270 points and gets another super plus red created. And it is created on the left deposit area, around the left deposit area, and now it's going to collect it. And the blue robot gets out of the map and gets a penalty for 10 seconds. Red robot collects the super plus red again and earns 180 points. And they crash into each other, but no one gets a penalty. They are crashing into each other, but no one gets a penalty. Yes. The red robot successfully deposits with the super plus red and earns 270 points and gets another super plus red on the bottom of the right side. And the red robot is finding for the super plus red, collects it, and earns 180 points. And now We have 1 minute and 30 seconds left. The blue robot is 760 points, and the red robot is over 2,200 points. And the red robot relocates by the player, and so they use one chance to relocate. And the blue robot is relocate either 2, yeah. And I think none of these robots are finding objects now. Maybe they have a problem. And the red robot relocates once more. And the blue robot relocates too. And the blue robot deposits successfully and earns 255 points and gets a super blue created. It is on the middle side, a little bit top of the map. The red robot is going to deposit. And the game is over, and the blue robot gets 1,020 points, and the red robot gets 2,245 points.